we will learn about proper noun with examples. Are you ready? Let's go. So what is a proper noun? Proper noun is a specific person, place, or a thing. What is your name? Yeah, so you are a proper noun, specific person, proper noun. Do you remember common noun from my first video? Common noun refers to general people, places, things, or ideas. For example, a person, city, mountain, book, emotions. But a proper noun will be specific. For example, New York City, right? Max the dog. Can we identify common nouns? They are general, remember? So, yeah, dog, city, and boy. They are general. Yeah, that's good. And how about the proper noun? They are specific, remember? Yeah, so it's the New York City. Fluffy, the dog. The name of the dog is Fluffy. And the boy's name is? Let's take the first example. Common nouns, remember, they are the general names, general places, or general things. And the proper nouns, they are specific names, specific places, and specific things. So go ahead, pause the video and find if there are any common nouns and proper nouns in the example. And once you're done, play the video and check the answers, okay? Did you get it right? Let's see. The common nouns in the first example are students, class, and trip. And there are no proper nouns here, okay? Let's do the same thing with the second example. Pause the video, come back. Did you get it right? So there are no common nouns here because Smithsonian Museum is a specific museum. It's the name of the museum is called Smithsonian Museum. So it's a proper noun. There are no common nouns here. Do the same thing for the third one. Did you get it right? Let's see. So here the common nouns are lunch and cafeteria. And the proper noun, yes, Miss Ruby. It's a specific name, so that's the proper noun.